Hello, adorables. Welcome to my channel, everyone. So I've got 3 completions here to show you today. I got a box to open, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to work on next. Okay, so this is my Halloween pumpkin. It was fun to do. It was just fun. The color blocking, like I started with the blue and purple. It just, it doesn't look like much other than the actual pumpkin, because there's a castle over here, and a piece of tree, and a moon. I don't know what's going on with the path. Here's a spider. But it was fun. The way the colors were separated, it was fun. So that's from Temu. And then this is from Temu. This is how it turned out. This didn't turn out at all. It was supposed to be like some kind of shadow back in there. That didn't turn out at all. But it was fun to do. The way the colors were kind of sorted. I enjoyed working on this one too. From Temu. This one from Temu. This one was so nice. It was so nice. I don't know what to say about it. I was going crazy with it. I love the boat. I love this umbrella and the table sitting on there. I love the little houses. All the line blocking that was in here was just fantastic. Okay, so these 3 can get put away now. Oh, this is falling. Okay. Let me scratch my address off of here. Where's the big scissors? I just don't want my address on there. Just in case. Okay. Alright. Well, let me show you the one I'm going to work on. It's my wine. It's about wine. This is from Temu. N's, R's, and B's. Oh my god, I didn't realize that when I pulled it. That looks okay. I'm gonna do it. So here's the box. Okay, I think this is the top. I don't think it matters. How about that? Just gimme, gimme, gimme. Okay. This came from Temu. It arrived like day before yesterday, I think. Plain white box. Okay. I don't have the batteries for it yet, probably. Unless they're double A, but I'm expecting they're going to be C or D. Oh, it goes this way. Okay. Here's a scooper. Here goes some little trays. Okay. I don't know where batteries are going to go. Maybe it doesn't take any batteries. So you're supposed to put some dog food in here. I thought it took batteries. It should take batteries. Okay, put the ball in the top. It goes out. The treat goes out. Uh, we'll set it up and see what Dobby does with it. These are trays for food, though. I don't think I want to put food in there for her. I could, but she has access to food all the time. I thought this was like a launcher. I thought it was, let me get rid of this. I thought it was just going to launch the ball for her so she could play by herself. I guess we put it down on the floor. Move, Dob. I'll put it in the light. We'll see how it goes. Whoops. No, stop. Oh, that's all it does. Give me that. Give me that. All it does is go out. It just hits the button to give her food. Oh, well, let me get some food. There's no food there. Well, here's some food. Where do we put the food at? In. Whoops. Okay. The food goes in the hole. Plucky duck. Water go down the hole. Let's bring it back up on the table. How about that? We tried. Give me the ball. Give me that ball. Let me give it to you. Don't do it this way, okay? That's good enough for now. Whoops. Well, it's not a launcher. I thought it was going to launch the ball. You know, they don't give good enough descriptions. It shot out one piece. Put the ball in the hole. Put it in the hole. Yay! Put it in the hole. Come on, Dob. Put it in. Dobby, look. Put it in the hole. Yay! Come on. I'll try it. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Come on, Dob. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Put the ball in the hole. Come on, good girl. Drop it in the hole. Drop it in the hole. Come on. Look, look. Nummy num. Oh, Charlie Bean stuck one. Dobby, and put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Good girl, put it in the hole. Nummy num. Well, that was a complete waste of $20. Not good enough. Not what I wanted. But I tried. Don't. She already lost the ball. Okay, so I'm looking for B079. This is my house, my squares. I didn't get it done. This has ABs. I wonder what the Starry Night Cat. Really? Didn't know that. That's an old one. What am I looking for again? B079. B079. It's not in here. I don't know what this is, but no wonder why I couldn't be finding a couple. It's in the wrong bag. Okay, so not in this bag. These are my big ones from a certain period all the way back. Well, this ain't a big one. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Keep that one out. But I've had this wine one for a while. So I don't know what to do about it now. I don't know. Really? It's not in there. It's not. Maybe it's in this one. I don't think so. These are all written on. They're all written on. Wait, what's down here? This don't have nothing. So it could be in here. But it won't be written on. Vampire. Angel. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's kind of new. I don't know. Where am I going to find it at? That's the only one that's not written on in here. I don't know where I'm going to find that. Oh, there's another little one. That's not too little, no. So, let's try another pack. What's in here? They're written on. These are small and written on. Are they? Yes. I don't think I want to do this one anymore. I'm not going to do it. I don't know where. I don't know where it would be. It's not in there. It's not in there. I'm not doing it. How about that? I'm going to pick a different one. Here's a strawberry puppy. Oh, it's a hippie girl. The girl with the lion, maybe. Scooby-Doo. Purple bubble house. There, we're doing the purple bubble house. I've been wanting to do that for a while. Oh, just like that. But I don't understand. Like, look, this is what I got here. So in this whole blue bin, 30 by 40s that I had from Temu, right? Or wherever. And then there's a bag that they're in their pre-kit. And this is pre-kit. And then there's a bag of 30 by 30s or smaller. Like right here. And then, I don't know what the other bag is. Just stuff. Whatever. So it should have been in that bag I pulled out first. So these are all my drills right here. And there's my 30 by 40s. And my 30 by 30s and smaller stacked up on top of it. I don't know. So I created a mess here. Look at this. Look at the num-num. It gives you num-num. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me it. Give me it. Yay. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I can return it. I'm going to return it. I've never actually had to return anything. She wants the ball, though. Wish she could have a ball. Maybe we keep both the balls. I doubt it. That wouldn't be right. So, that's that. This gets put away until I find the drills, and what one comes out then. Don't put that there. I'll put it over here. Okay. There it is right there. My bubble house. So then put the plastic back under it. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do. And I'm content with that decision. All right. Well, you're not, no, you're not going to do that. Show people what you were doing. Give me that. She's going to chew the stuffing off of it. No. Maybe my neighbor would like it for her dogs. Maybe they would learn. I don't know. She's got 3 Boston Terriers. And the new one, well, I guess he's been calmed down a little bit. When she first got him, it was like, he sounded like a vicious Knit. I don't know what they sound like, but it was with her dog sound. I don't know. Like, why did you buy that thing? But he's okay. I was outside, he come out, and usually, like, any of her dogs, well, not the female, not as much, but the boys, they want to run the fence with Dobby and have a good time, right? So I was out there, and he's just looking at me because, he's being quiet, just looking at me. And I did the eye thing. Like, I put my fingers up to my eyes. I'm like, I said, no bark. He didn't make a sound. That was the cutest thing. He's just watching. I don't know. That's cool. But I thought it was going to be worse. When she first got him, I thought it was going to be worse than it was. Because some dogs have that sound, like pugs and little tiny dogs, but that are bulky. They have that, they cry this, you know what I'm talking about. I thought it was going to be like that, and it's not. So I'm relieved. I thought he was going to be something wicked, but it's not so bad. Okay. So, sorry, that's all I got for you is a couple completions and a toy that I thought was something completely different, and that's why it only cost $20, I guess. Okay. Peace out, adorables. God bless.